In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error 403 Authentication Failed. So first thing, just go here and type in run. Over here, go to app data. So type app data, press enter. Here, go to local, and inside here, you want to find Roblox. So type R, and here you should be able to find it. So here it is. So delete this folder, click delete. After you delete this folder, you can now close this down. Now you want to type in run again, and then type here %temp%, and then press enter. Over here you need to delete all of these folders, so just Control A and delete them. Don't worry, none of these are necessary or important folders. You can safely delete them. And after that, when you run Roblox again, so when you try to open a game again, so let's say here, I'm gonna show you. So the next time you try to click play on the game again, you should be able to automatically download the deleted folders and your issue should be fixed.